You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, including from French, stay tuned. Yes, it's from Brittany, Breton origin. Let's learn how to pronounce it. Mael is how it's pronounced in French. It usually has two dots on the E. Mael, meaning that you separate out the A and the E sound. Mael. It's an E sound. Mael. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, let's call it the English pronunciation. How to pronounce Mael. Mael from French pronunciation. Mael. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.